My video guide will help you to get rid of pop-ups associated with the website Erwithtime.fun. So if you look at these pop-ups, you could have the impression that there is some video behind these pop-ups. And indeed, the design of this website might give you some hints that you are supposed to watch some video. However, this is a typical deception. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to enable some HD streaming feature in your browsing. But in reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on this Allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked. It means that soon they'll be brought to some other deceptive pages, and because of that, the system may be exposed to all kinds of cyber threats. In the light of this information, I strongly urge you not to click on Allow button, no matter what sites you see like this. There are a lot of malicious pages today that try to display uncontrolled push notifications. So what to do if the Allow button was clicked? Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. In Permissions, you need to select Notifications. So check the Allow area very carefully and you'll find this Erwithtime.fun website. Click on this button and remove this malicious resource from the list. These pop-ups mainly attack Windows browsers, so I would also strongly advise that you check your Windows computer with the reliable antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software called Combo Cleaner for Windows and scanning your device with this application. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threats found, and it shows what exact threats these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.